guys, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin Rodriguez, Mamaya sa Grid Channel, a faith healer, also matter. So ngayong hapon na ito, tignan natin nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2024 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Virgo? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo sign ng ating mga hagilap? So guys, eto na, tutuklasin natin at bubulabugin natin yan. Angel spirit, please give information po. Angel spirit, please give information for the sign of Virgo for this month. For the month of November. So this is the ease of one something, a new project, new plan. So may mga bagong eksena na papasok, no? And this is the hangman, no? Baguhin ang perspective o cycle ng eksena mo. No, kumbaga hindi ka na dapat nag-i-stick dun sa isang situation na alam mong walang process o walang progreso, no? Na alam mong hindi na umaandar yung eksena, alam mo paulit-ulit na lang yung gano'n. Kumbaga kailangan to change your perspective or ways, no? Kung paano mo papaikutin yung eksena. This is something, a new project, new plans, no? And this is the high thesis for unexpected moment. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng unexpected moment for this moment. So, this is something, the six of swords with the transition at makakaalis ka na sa situation. There is something, a secret behind or sinatawag na mystery behind na kung ano man yung mga bagay na nasa paligid mo ay may mga biglaang pagbabago na magaganap na hindi mo akalaing lubos na malalaman o lubos mauunawaan, no? Kumbaga itong bagay na to hindi, kumbaga pag nalaman mo, magugulantang ka. Ganon. And this is something, the Queen of Swords and bigger picture. Titignan mo lagi magiging possibilities or magiging outcome ng eksena, no? Look at the bigger picture. This is the Six of Pentacles, giving, receiving something by the universe, no? Unti-unti mo nang matatanggap, unti-unti ka na makakatanggap, no? Ng mga biyaya, no? Unti-unti mo nang mararanasan, no? Na recover, no, sa kung ano man yung pinagdaanan mo. The Ace of Wands represent the Eight of Pentacles. Just focus and being dedicated sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong eksena, basta kailangan mong mag-focus. And this is the Hangman, represent the lovers, no? Ibig sabihin, baguhin ang pananaw pagdating sa asawa, jowa, partnership, no? Kung paano ka makipagsalamuha, paano ka makipag-cooperate with your partner or something na maging transparency baga, na para na sa ganon, magkaroon kayo ng equality or something, equal thoughts, para maging iisa yung iniisip nyo, plano nyo, at baguhin na yung sistema na nagbibigay komplikasyon sa inyong pagsasama. What is the High Priestess? The High Priestess represent the Jet card. So this is something, the ending and in your beginning. So may mga bagay na tatapusin na sa isang iglap lang na hindi mo inaasahan. Ganon. Kumbaga itong bagay na to ang pagbabago na hindi mo akalaing magaganap na. So let's see what is the Six of Swords. Represent the Devil card. Oh my God. A transition. No, kailangan na baguhin yung thoughts, kaisipan, no, na naghahatak with the negativities. Kailangan mo na palayain yung mga nagpapagulo sa utak mo. What is the Queen of Swords? This is the Emperor, being mature and being grounded. No? Maging mature ka sa magiging decision mo. No? Laging tignan yung better side of your situations. So what is the Six of Pentacles? Represent with the Nine of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na may isa sa katapanan mo na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo nang matutupad. Magiging balance at control ka na sa situation. What is the Ace of Wands? Because the Eight of Pentacles. Nire-represent the King of Wands. So something, a vision. Unti-unti mo nang masisilayan, no? Ang mga bagong proyekto o mga bagong opportunity na iyahain sa iyo. Basta mag-focus ka lang sa ginagawa mo. What is the Hangman, the lovers? Represent the Knight of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka na pagdating sa finances or even sa love life. Kasi kumbaga may mga bagay dyan na kailangan baguhin na yung pananaw mo o even non-attitudes. Now, give us some respect to each and everyone. So, let's see what is the High Priestess and the Death card. So, this is the Empress card. Oh, ito na yung katapusan. No, katapusan ng pambababae. Charis. Kung ito na yung katapusan na may third party involved. No, this is something and you begin and retreat. No, ibabalik na yung alindog mo dito or kasiglahan ng iyong sarili. No, maaring kailangan mo magpa-fresh, magpaganda, magpagwapo. No, ito na yung panahon at pagbangon na muli nga, mamumukad ka na sa puso mo kung ano yung pagmamahal talagang ninanais mo. What is the Six of Swords and the Devil card? So, this is the Seven of Cups. So, see? Kumbaga, meron ditong kailangan mo na makaalis sa situation, merong nanggugulo talaga sa eksena nyo with the Devil card. No? This is something delusion. No? Maraming kumbaga, itong tao na to, pasyadong assuming na may gusto sa iyo, may gusto sa kanya yung partner mo, or even na hinaharot siya. No? Ganon, maaring related to with the co-workers, no? Queen of Swords because the Emperor represent the Five of Cups, something disappointment. No? May mga bagay dito na parang nangihinayang ka or nagsisisi ka dito sa eksena na to. But you are mature enough na kung mag-alam sa sarili mo yung possibilities or something yung attitude and respect na alam mo sa sarili mo hindi ka dito gagawa ng eksena, ganon. So, let's see what is the Six of Pentacles because the Nine of Cups. So, this is the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. This is the opportunity that brings you a wish fulfillment, that brings you a victory and success. So, let's see guys, now what is the outcome of this story? Ang pinaka-outcome dito guys is something, the Ten of Cups, is something happiness, no? Magiging masaya ka dito sa kalalabasan na to. At the same time guys, this is something, the Two of Wands, so something choices. Ikaw yung pipili, no? Na ikabubuti mo at ikaw din yung pipili na ikasasama mo. So, you are being a rebuilder or something creator or a disaster or destruction. No? Or destroyer, ganon. So, let's see additional messages. And of course, it represented with the Justice card. Don't you worry, there's a karma is coming. No? Nasa sa'yo pa rin ang hustisya. No? Nasa sa'yo pa rin yung karma na maaaring magdulot sa'yo with a good energy. No? Additional messages na pagdating naman tayo sa finances and career. This is a Ten of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance, no? May paglago ng finances dito. Kumbaga, magiging masagana at magiging maganda na ang iyong finances. There's a Page of Pentacles with an investment. Magiging maganda na ang investment dito, no? Magiging maganda na ang iyong finances, yung flow. This is something, the Four of Cups, not just re-evaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na pag-isipan mong mabuti bago ka mag-take ng action, no? Bago ka gumawa ng eksena, pag-isipan mabuti. Additional messages tayo pagdating naman sa love life. So, this is the Two of Wands by balance, no? Maging balance ka pagdating sa relationship. There's a Two of Swords with the decisions. Kailangan mo na mag-decision dito. There's a Four of Pentacles with this protect your power, protect your energy. Dapat kailangan marunong ka protektahan kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. Stand up your grounds, no? And be assertiveness. No? Parang sinasabi dito na alam mo dapat sa sarili mo yung grounds mo, yung territory mo, ganon. Additional messages about sa health. Sa health mo, there's a Page of Swords. Now, get more information with the Sun card. Kumbaga, kailangan mo rin magpa-araw dito or sinasabi dito magiging maganda ng kalalabasan na eksena to. This is something empowerment na maaaring magiging maganda ng kalusugan mo dito. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. What is the magical fairy messages are going to represent with the healer. So, see, I told you, it's all about healing and recovery. Oh, diba? Pasabog. And this is a walking away. So, you need to step out, no? Na kailangan mo na makawala dyan sa ginagalawan mo. And there, I told you, assertiveness, diba? Dapat alam mo yung stand of your beliefs, grounds, no? Territory, and yung mga bagay na gusto mo, gano'n. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yan. What is the synchronicities? Diba? Ang ganda. Pasabog. So, let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities. Bloom, no? Mamumukadkad, no? Mamumulaklak na, lalago na, and there's a magician with the power of God, manifestation, no? And there's a sorrow. Alisin yung drama and ego, guys. Isa yan sa nagbibigay ng negativities, kaya hindi ka nakakaalis sa situation, no? So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Represent the freedom. See, this is the moment na makakalaya ka talaga for worries And there's a union na may pagtatagpo at may maaaring manumbalik. This is something avoidance. Iwasan mo na. No, yung mga bagay na pinipilit bumalik or yung sa situation, no? Kaya kailangan matuto ka ng limitahan yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na dapat ay lipas na at lumipas na. So, let's see what is chakra messages. Nire-represent with the vanity. Alisin yung ego, pride, and of course, luho. And there's an instinct, no? Makinig ka sa intuitions mo. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And of course, this is something dress rehearsal with your choices, no? Ikaw yung gagawa ng gusto mo, ikaw yung gagawa ng, ikaw bubutit ka sasama mo. There's an autumn with harvest time, no? And there's something environment, nasa paligid mo lang, no? Surroundings mo, environment mo, yung mga taong kailangan mo nang umalis sa pakawalan, no? And this is something gift, past life. No, nangyari ito with your past life, no? Nangyari ito sa nakaraang buhay mo, na maaaring inuulit to ulit sa kasalukuyan kasi may mga bagay na nangyari from the past na hindi ka natuto. Now, this is the fire with the transmutation and purification, paglilinis. Lilinisin ka na dito, sarili mo, nasa paligid mo at kaisipan mo. What is the angel's answer? There's a yes, no? Kung may mga tanong ka, there's a possible yes ang sagot. And this is something let go. Pakawalan, bitawan. Moving forward and listening to your intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. What is the something Archangel Michael messages? Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Focus upon divine perfect health. So, kailangan mag-focus sa health mo, no, guys, no? Baka may mga nararamdaman ka na or unti-unti nang bumubuti rin kalusugan mo. And there's of go forward fearlessly. Magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikilingan, no? Serbisyo, totoo lang, Charis. Kung magagana, na kailangan lumabang ka ng, di ba, walang kinakatakutan, yung laban na laban. And you're on the right path, nasa tamang direction ka. Ganon. Hindi ka naliligaw. So, let's see what is the energy represent what? Represent with actions. You need to take an action for this. Na unti-unti na magbabago with the healer of the ages. Ano bang gano'n bang katagal? Gano'n bang daming pinagdaanan? Unti-unti ang hihilumin ng mga sugat ng nakaraan. And there is a cornucopia. So, kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables na para tumaas ang yung immune system. And kasi sinasabi dito ng cornucopia, kailangan mo ng pataasin yung iyong magnesium, no? Kasi masyado ka nang nag-iisip, hindi ka makatulog, no? Ayun yung kailangan mo, guys. And this is something, the word card. See, travel, success. What is the energy na represent to? Ay, my God, meron na pala nito. What is the Montology? Sorry, guys. What is the Montology? Oh, what you need to release, ano yung kailangan mong alisin, yung toxic, yung yung attitude, and of course, the having respect, no? Kailangan may respeto kayo sa isa't isa. And the energy is gaining momentum. Ito itong bagay na to, hindi mo makakalimutan. Tatatak talaga to sa'yo, dahil kuya, sir. And a fair climax approaches, no? Nasa exciting part ka na. What is additional messages with this angel spirit guides? And there's a change. Unti-unti na magbabago, unti-unti nang mag-iiba, no? At unti-unti na magkakaroon ng mga magagandang eksena. And there's a death card for an ending in your beginning. Rise from the ashes. Na pagkatapos mong mapunta sa kalugmukan na stations or eksena, unti-unti ka na makakabangon, no? Unti-unti nang sisinag ang liwanag sa iyong mga mata at isipan. Ganon. What is the romance, angels? Let your friends help you. Hayaan mo yung mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka. And there's an engagement na magkakaroon ka dito ng higher level of commitment. Ganon. May magpo-propose. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a practice. Enhance your ability and polish your skills. And there's an body works na kailangan mo dito ng massage, exercise, stretchings, no? Nang sa ganun mawala yung mga lamig mo sa katawan. What is Archangel Raphael messages? Stretch. I told you, kailangan mo talaga ng stretching, galaw-galaw, diba? There's an have faith. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa ating poong may kapal. No? Just trust the process. Unti-unti nang gumagaling kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyari sa isa nakaraan na nagsilbing sugat, no? At sakit. What is additional messages? And this is something called with it's time to step up, no? Ito na yung moment para bumangon. Ito na yung moment para tumayo at manindigan sa sarili mo. And there's an Earth School with the life lessons. Dapat matuto ka na. Dapat yumabong ka na. Dapat unti-unti na nag-grow yung sarili mo with higher learning. Ganon. Hindi ka pwedeng nagkakaedad ka nang wala ka pa rin natututunan sa lahat ng nangyari sa buhay mo. For Jesus' loving quote said, "Well done, good and faithful servant." So see, kumbaga tinatapos na ng ating Panginoon, basta maging mabuti ka, no, sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Maging mabuti kang manlilingkod at magmahal, no, sa sarili mo at mahalin yung mga tao sa paligid mo, sa likod ng mga ginagawa nilang eksena sa iyo. Kumbaga, basta maging tapat ka sa Kanya na hindi ka gagawa at hindi ka mapupunta sa kaliwa. So let's see what is an angel's number. Represent what? 21-25 for energy levels. Unti-unti nang tumataas, no? Unti-unti nang bumabangon. At this is a waiting is over. Not parating na talaga. And that day you're waiting, you will, the day you're waiting for will come. Maintain a discipline, you're getting closer to the end goal. There's no need for an overextend yourself. Guard your energy to remain focused. It will pay off. It is a climb, not an elevator ride. Trust in you. Magtiwala ka. Hindi to parang roller coaster na mangyayari ulit sa buhay mo. Ito ay, kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy na eksena na binabago, no? Yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan na maaaring baguhin na sa kasalukuyan na hindi na mangyari ulit yon. So let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. What is the represent looking, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti mo nang mahanap o unti-unti mong hanapin yung mga bagay na kulang at wala sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na madadagdag at may mga bagay na makikita mong mas maganda at mas makahulugan. What is the messages of life? Represent the searching within. So, see, I told you so. What I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, I empower myself by looking past outer condition and searching within for the sense of difficulty in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life challenges. It provides my best answer and my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed. Ito na yung panahon at pagbangon. Unti-unti ka nang hihilom at unti-unti ka nang makakabangon. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2024 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-leg-leg nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!